Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So if you're new to this channel and you don't know me, I'm Isaac, and on this channel I teach blockchain development and programming in general. This couple months have been hard and I've not really gotten a chance to upload on this channel, but we're back now, hopefully. So in this video we'll talk about Truffle, which is a framework for blockchain development. You can use it to test smart contract, book your smart contract and deploy to mainnet using Truffle. So in this video we'll have a rundown of Truffle. Why don't we dive into the video? So this is the overview. So according to what they wrote here, Truffle is a world-class development environment. Yeah, it's a framework used for blockchains such as Ethereum. And because other blockchains like the Binance Smart Chain, the Polygon are a fork of Ethereum, this also makes Truffle to work with them. So these are the basics of what you get with Truffle. You can compile smart contracts using Truffle, you can link libraries to your contracts, and you can deploy to your contract. You can run tests. Yeah, you can run tests with Truffle. Also, for you to be able to follow this tutorial, you need to have an idea of JavaScript because it's mainly JavaScript. It's purely JavaScript. Yeah, this is the basics. So we can create a project and we can explore and everything here. Before we go into any of these fun things here, we just have to install Truffle. So the first step to install Truffle, we can see the tutorial right here. So to install Truffle, these are the requirements. We need Node.js. Yeah, we need you need to have a PC obviously, and you can run your own local Ethereum blockchain. So you can make use of Ganachi or Truffle to run your own local node. I will assume you have Node installed, and if you don't, I have a link right here pointing to a tutorial I made of installing Node. So I just want to check if my Node.js version fulfills this requirement right here. So I'll open my command prompt, and if you're using terminal, that's fine. And I'll run Node version. So I'm using the version 12.13.1. So it fulfills this requirement. It's greater than this here. So we are good to go. So we can see to install Truffle, we need to run this command here. For some reasons, I prefer using yarn, but you can make use of npm. Just for this tutorial's sake, I'll be using the npm. So I can do npm install or just the simple I. And then this G flag means you want to install Truffle globally. And now you just have to write the package you wish to install. So this is Truffle. Enter. So that's how you get Truffle installed on your system. In the next video, we'll create a Truffle project where we'll compile the contracts we created and also run migrations. So migrations are just JavaScript files which you write and they help to deploy contracts. So in the next video, we'll talk about this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.